So, hi everyone, this is Bien, marketing professional here in Toyota Ormoc Leyte. So, today guys, nalang ko i-share sa inyo, ako ipakita ang one of our displays here in our Toyota showroom. So, this one guys, yan. So, this is the Vios. It is currently displayed right now in our showroom here in Toyota Ormoc, located in Barangay San Pablo. So anyone nga nagplan or gusto or interested nga mutanaw, please you can come here para ma-check ninyo ang unit. So right now guys, we have the Vios 1.3 XLE. So explain lang na ako, share lang na ako gamay ang mga features and then unsay naa ni Vios 1.3 XLE CVT. And then at my own opinion, daghan mga sakyanan ng gawas like fully electric or hybrid electric vehicles. But again, if you are planning to buy a vehicle, a good option for you to consider is also the Vios. So kana practical, pang practical nga sakyanan. So later on ato i-discuss. For the front side of this Vios, kani guys, mana siya. As you can see, so sportier gyapon ang iyang design, iyang looks. And then padol na to right there. For the headlights, it is halogen. Yes, halogen lang si Vios 1.3 XLE. Goods na siya guys for affordable vehicle like the Vios. And right here we have the fog lights. So equipped na siya with fog lights. And for the front grille, you will have a bold front grille right there. Sporty gyapon siya, sporty. And then ang iyang pinaka-design is fastback design or body style from the front going to the rear. Yeah. Right here for your wheels, you have a two-tone design with machine cut. And for its antenna guys is a fin type antenna. So this is the rear of the Vios. You have here combination lamp, rear combination lamp. And kung mapansin niyo guys, na siya ay rear sensors. So two rear sensors, and also you have a camera, rear camera. Let's go to the interior. So this is the interior guys of the Vios. Right here we have hard plastics, and for the armrest you have a fabric, and then A for automatic up and automatic down, and for the automatic lock and automatic unlock. For the steering wheel of the Vios, right here, ano siya guys. So it's very comfy. Yeah, nice. And you have here steering grip para mas comfortable while liko-liko ta or sa din maneuvers. Kani siya nga design right here. Then nasa siya stitches. So para mas siya, mas nindot pa siya kita design. Right here we have the controls for the infotainment change volumes, and then channels or playlist, then for pickup and call, that one. So this is the entertainment equipped already for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na nagyapon siya Bluetooth. Yan, so you have two ventilators right here for the air cons, temperature, and then blower adjustments. And right here you have two bottle holders. So kung mahilig ka magkape, then long distance, hindi ka magkape. Sa drink, coffee, and then sa other is tubig. Yan. You have here the materials are hard plastics. So quality ang material ni Vios. Hard plastics. For the seats naman is na siya guys, ang seats kanang fabric. Sakto lang. Goods na po siya. For the front interior, let's go to the passenger. For the passenger, right here. So very spacious guys ang ato ang passenger side or diri sa likod, second row. Then you have handles right here, and for the other passenger, handles. Fabric yapon ang atong seat materials. Let's check the trunk. Now, mo din siya pang open, diri na to i-open atong luggage or sa trunk. Nasa So for the luggage or the trunk na to, so very spacious. So amoy hilig mong mga long distance travel, so mga maleta or bags, daghan mong daghan mong mabutang, or picnics, hilig mong mga picnics. Yan. So mao to guys ang kuan ni Vios features or design ni Vios 1.3 XL. There. So makaingon ko guys nga Vios is practical gyapon siya. Let's go inside that one sa vehicle para dili kayo saba. So si Vios is a practical option gihapon siya if you are planning to buy a vehicle karong panahon na, di ba? Mahal ang fuel, gasoline or diesel. But si Vios is, I can say is practical gihapon siya, bisan siya o dili siya fully electric, dili siya hybrid, but practical in a way na small engine naman siya guys. So 1.3 engine lang siya. So meaning na fuel lesser fuel consumption since gamay ra ang iyang engine 1.3 lang. So kana pa lang makayon nga good sa ni for everyday use nimo from home to work since small engine. So gamay ra pud ang imong fuel consumption ana. And then dili inga na kadaghan og features, goods lang, sakto lang siya. So ma-accommodate ra pud niya kung unsa ra poy kung unsa ra poy need nimo from what's really the purpose sa imuhang sa isa ka sakyanan from point A to point B lang na travel. So sakto na, goods na. Naman kay infotainment for entertainment nimo, na lang kay music. And then small engine 1.3 lang. So tipid gyapon ka guys. And then at the same time si Vios is very popular na ever since pila na ka decades. Popular na gud ni si Vios diri sa Philippine market nato. And then siya kanang reliable na siya guys, reliable, quality, durable sa siya. And then workhorse na siya. kuan siya, consider na siya as workhorse diri sa Philippines. For example lang sa mga taxis, sa mga taxis ang nagdaghan is ang kaning mga Vios. Why Vios? Because durable man siya, reliable man siya, kaya man niya ma-meet ang demand sa isa ka driver. Yan, so kung sa imong asa ka ganan mo ngadto, maabot man jud nimo. Nga wala kay problemahon since durable man sakyanan. Walay mga issues si Vios. So mga kuan sa niya, mga parts quality man pod. So dili dayon maguba magka problema ang ato ang Vios, Toyota Vios. And kung gani man na mga problems, ang ato ang Toyota dealerships is kuan naman sad daghan na dealerships all over the nation. So ang parts na to, availability of parts is kuan dali ra jud, sayon ra nato makuha. Yan. So kani guys, Vios atong mga nag-consider nga mag hybrid electric vehicle or fully electric, kuan na sila kanang medyo mahal na sila, pricey, costly pud na sila. Then dili pa na sila inga naka-establish ang ilang after sales support. But if you will consider Toyota Vios, makatipid na ka guys sa fuel since gamay ra man pud yang engine, at the same time reliable, quality, durable, dili jud siya then basta-basta maguba. And then naabot tay support system like ang atong mga dealership. So very practical gyapon siya if kaniya to i-purchase or i-consider nga vehicle. Si Toyota Vios, labi na ni si Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT. So guys, kung naamoy plans to purchase a vehicle in this amidst fuel crisis, pwede yun ninyo i-consider si Toyota Vios. So for more information, na pa mo yung mga details nga gananin nyo may bawaan, please contact me. So I'm gonna upload this video na lang. So that's it. Thank you for watching.